In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix something went wrong error on Microsoft Copilot app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are getting this error on this AI app, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, most likely you are experiencing this because your app has experienced a glitch. To fix this, go to your phone and you can see our Copilot app is here. You need to access the Copilot app info page by going to settings on your phone. And from settings, scroll down to apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Copilot, tap on OK, and this will take you to the app info page. Here, go to for stop and OK, go to clear data and clear cache, OK, and finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and ensure that you're not using any VPN, as this might be the reason you are encountering this. Also, if you have any recently installed security app, uninstall it to fix this. Now if you open your Copilot app, now you should be able to use this AI app without any issue. However, if that does not work, then you want to take another step and go to Google Play Store or App Store, search for Microsoft Copilot and see if we have any update your app to the latest version. However, at this point, if nothing works, then try and use Copilot on your desktop. If the web version still fails, then most likely Microsoft Copilot has experienced an internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait for some few minutes. And now if you go back to your Copilot, everything should be okay. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.